Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making cinnamon honey butter spread. This homemade gourmet butter is so simple to make with just 3 organic ingredients. It's perfect on top of bagels, toast, muffins, and more. Let me show you guys how to make it. So all you guys are going to need for this recipe is some butter, honey, and cinnamon. And now this recipe is just basically the equivalent of buttering your toast, drizzling with honey, and then sprinkling it with cinnamon, which is how I eat my toast pretty much every single morning. But making this butter ahead of time makes your mornings quick and easy, plus it makes a wonderful holiday gift. So first we're gonna add in 113 grams of salted butter to a mixing bowl. And you wanna make sure that your butter is soft, that way you can easily stir in the honey and cinnamon. Next we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of honey. And then last, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now all you have to do is mix this up with a spatula. If you guys want to whip this with a hand mixer, you can totally do that too. That also works. Once the butter is smooth and creamy and there's no just bits of cinnamon or honey, then it's ready. And the cinnamon honey butter spread makes a perfect gift for the holidays. I especially love it for people who say they don't really eat sweets, but everyone wants just a little bit something sweet during the holidays, and this strikes the perfect balance. So if you guys want to gift this, I love putting this into like a little glass jar, and I like piping it in with a piping bag and a decorating tip. It just makes it look so pretty and gourmet. So I'm just using an open star tip. I'm using a Teco tip number 827. You could use number 846, 864. All those would be great choices. Any kind of star tip is fine. And you can even just put it into a jar. You do not have to pipe it. And now we have a delicious cinnamon honey butter spread that is perfect for gifting. If you guys want to gift this, go ahead and tie a little ribbon around it. Otherwise, this will stay good in your fridge for up to a week. This cinnamon honey butter spread is perfect on toast and bagels, which is how I usually like to enjoy it. It's also delicious on pancakes, waffles, scones, muffins, cinnamon rolls, you name it. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.